Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics in Class 9. Start by mapping chapters to concepts and allocate time per topic. Focus on understanding definitions, units, and basic equations before memorizing. Use a dedicated notebook for derivations and one column for solved examples. Keep sessions short and focused to avoid burnout, and review older chapters weekly to strengthen retention. Use active learning to build deep understanding and confidence. Work problems aloud and explain each step as if teaching a friend, which reveals gaps fast. Sketch clear diagrams and annotate every variable and unit, then redo difficult problems until methods feel natural. Pair problem practice with short summary notes and quick self-tests to track progress and keep concepts fresh between lessons. Practice consistently with a mix of new problems and revision drills to cement concepts. Rotate topics so you revisit each chapter several times, emphasizing weaker areas until you improve. Time yourself on past papers to build exam stamina and learn pacing. After each mock test, review mistakes carefully and rework those problems until you understand every step and can explain the reasoning out loud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.